Hello students and welcome to PRADIP sir classes as PSC. And for the previous class I discussed about what is physics, what is unit, and how units are related with a particular physical quantity, as well as dimension, that is the exponents of the fundamental quantity, or the derived in a particular derived quantity, what are the exponents of that particular fundamental quantity. So for today's class we are discuss about another uh, uses of dimensional analysis, how dimensional analysis can convert a particular unit system to another system. So students, let's take your copy and pen and let's start. So students, there are different types of application of dimensional analysis. To know about the different types, first of all you have to know what is dimension, and for that you have to go lecture number 1 about dimension and 2, and then for today's class actually I discuss about type A, that is based on conversion from one system of units to another. Suppose a student, you know that 1 Newton equal to 10 to the power of 5 times. 10 to the power of 5 times. So there are basically 3 system, that is MKS unit system, and M stands for meter, K for kilogram, and S for second. S for second. And then CGS system, that is C for centimeter, G for gram, and S for second. And FPS system, FPS, that is F for feet, then pound, and then second. So basically these are the concepts from we know that from class 7, 8 standard. Okay, so with the help of dimensional analysis you can convert a particular system to another particular system, and vice versa. You can also change that particular physical quantity, unit of the particular physical quantity, from MKS to CGS. So take an example, and we know that suppose 5 kg equal to 5,000, 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So 5 kg means 5000 gram. So the numeric value, here the numeric value is 5 and here the numeric value is 5000. So this is the unit of MK system, and this is for CGS system, that is gram. So this is CGS system and this is MK system. So we can change a particular system of unit to another particular system of unit. Suppose the numeric value, the formula is numeric value into unit, that is N1 U1 is equal to numeric value into unit, that is N2 U2. And if that particular physical quantity, here it is mass, but when a physical quantity is that is, it may be derived quantity, it is fundamental, but if the quantity is derived, suppose Newton, 1 Newton. And we know that what is Newton, that is it takes from the formula m equal to F equals to ma. That is here 1 kg into acceleration mean meter by second square, so 1 kg into 1 meter per second square. So, and in short form it is written as Newton. So 1 Newton means 1 kg into 1 meter per second square, and if we convert it into CJ system, then in place of 1 kg we can write 1000 gram into 1 meter, that is 100 centimeter by second square. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 gram centimeter by second square. That is, in simply we can write 10 to the power 5, that is the zeros 10 to the 5 gram centimeter by second square. In short we can write 10 to the power 5 dyne. So this is the original conversion of 1 Newton, that is from Newton to dyne. But how can we convert this one with the help of dimensional analysis? That is, what is the, first of all students, you have to know what is the dimension of, what is the dimension of force, what is the dimension of force. Then from dimensional analysis we know that this is mlt minus 2. So take the exponents or power of m is 1, so this is a equal to 1, and then b equal to 1, it is also 1, and c equal to minus 2. That is 1 1 minus 2 are the dimension of force, and the dimensional formula is within third bracket mlt minus 2. Then we know that the numeric value 1 Newton means numeric value is 1, so numeric value n1 and the dimension is m1 l1 t1, and its power is m to the power of a, that is 1, l to the power of b, and t to the power of c, and this is equal to the numeric value n2, and the physical quantity since remains same, so it is m2, and it is also a, and it is also a, and then l2, this is also b, and if this is t2, then this is also c. So students, n1, or if you want to calculate n2, then n2 equal to n1 by m1 by m2, m1 by m2, and this is to the power of a, and then l1 by l2, this is to the power b, and then t1 by t2, this is to the power of c. Why it takes a form like that? Because first of all you have to know, if we change a physical quantity, that is from SI to CGS system, then the value, the magnitude is changes and unit, but the total amount or magnitude of the total physical quantity remains same. So numeric value, if we take a product numeric value into unit, then the physical quantity or the magnitude of the physical quantity and remains same. So we can if we calculate what is the numeric value only, then the physical quantity here, the physical quantity is here, the physical quantity is mass, and here also the mass. So the physical quantity remains same. It means the dimension of that particular physical quantity, since it is force, then the dimension of this quantity, that is BBB, remains same. So this is the formula, and you have to apply that particular formula. And so you have to change Newton, 1 Newton equal to dash of dyne. 1 Newton is equal to dash of dyne with the help of dimensional analysis. So, and if we take, this is the numeric value, and if we take, this is the numeric value n2, so n2 equal to a1 n1, or this is force, so mlt minus 2. You have to write first of all what is the dimension. So mlt minus 2 is the dimension of force. Then n2 equal to n1, and here m1 by m2 to the power of, here is 1, so this is 1, and next L1 by L2, and the to the power of this one, so this is also 1, and T1 by T2, and this is also minus 2. So N1 is 1, so here you can replace in place of N1 you have to write 1, and then M1 is the mass, so M1 in CGS system it is gram, CGS system M1, so in M1 here students, that is M1 equal to, it is SI system, so M1 is mass, so we can write here in place of this 1 kg by M2 is 1 gram to the power of 1, and then 1 meter by 1 centimeter, this is to the power 1, and then 1 second by 1 second. Why? Because CGS and SI unit of time is 1 second. So this is 1000 gram by 1 gram and to the power of 1, and this is 100 centimeter by 1 centimeter to the power of 1, and second by second cancel, and this is 1. So 10 3, and then gram cancel, centimeters cancel, this is 1, so 10 to the power of 5. So the numeric value is 10 to the power of 5, and this is the applications of dimensional analysis. So first, step one, you have to take what is the dimension of that physical quantity which is to be converted. Okay, suppose it is given how many arc are there in 1 joule. So arc is the physical quantity there is work done, so ml square t minus 2. So you have to know what is the dimension of work done, and then n2 equal to n1, and this and so on. Okay, so take another example, and the first one is how many arc are there in 1 joule. First of all, students, pause this video and write down that particular formula, and what is how many arcs, then you have to calculate it in CGS unit. This is the CGS unit of work done, and use the method of dimensional analysis. So arc, how many arc are there in 1 joule? So the question number 1 is 1 joule equal to dash arc. You have to calculate that numeric value, that is n2, and here it is n1. The formula is same, 1 joule equal to n2, so n2 equal to, you have to write again this formula, n2 equal to n1, here n1 is 1 joule, so 1 into mass by mass to the power of, write down the dimensional formula, that is ml square t minus 2. It is the dimension of work done. So this is 1, and again L1 by L2, and this is to the power of, here it is 2, and then 1 second by 1 second, and whole to the power of minus 2. So this is mass means 1 kg means 1000 gram into To the power of 1 means once, and L 100 gram, 100 centimeter by 1 centimeter, this gram by 1 gram to the power of 1, and this is to the power of 2, and 1 second by 1 second, this is 1. So this is 1000 and this is 1 2, then 1 2. Since this is the square, so 4 and 3, 10 to the power of 7. So the answer is 10 to the power 7. So the answer is 10 to the power 7. Okay, check the answer, 10 to the power 7. I think I first of all, students, clear your concepts from basic level. Okay, then go ahead for the tough numericals. So we take question number 6. Next, question number 6. Question number 6, convert a velocity. You have to convert velocity, that is 72 kilometer per hour into meter per second. So 72 kilometer per hour, and this is equal to dash into meter per second. Okay, so first of all, write down the main numericals, and beside it write down the dimension, that is LT minus 1. Okay, LT minus 1. So here A is not given, that is m to the power of 0. M to the power of 0 means A equal to 0, B equal to 1, and C equal to minus 1. So N2, next step, N2 equal to N1, that is 72, and mass, here mass is m to the power of 0, so m1 to the power of 0 and m1 by m2 whole to the power of 0. So something to the power of 0 means 1, L1 by L2 whole to the power of 1, and T1 by T2 whole to the power of minus 1. So 72 into this is 1, and L1 length. So length in that particular system is kilometer. So kilometer, 1 kilometer, and for L2 it is meter. So divided by 1 meter whole to the power of 1, and time here is hour. So 1 hour divided by 1 second, so 1 second to the power of 1. So 72 into 1 kilometer means hectometer, decameter, meter, this meter by 1 meter, and 1 hour means 3600 second by 1 second whole to the power of 1 whole to the power of 1. So this is 1000 and this is 3600, and oh sorry, this is C is minus 1, C is minus 1, student. So this is minus 1, so this is 1 by 3600. Minus 1 means you have to write down in denominator. So 72 into 1000 by this one, so these zeros cancel this one, and 36 to just 72, so 20 meter per second. So this is so simple. Again I repeat, first of all write down that particular one, and beside you have to write down the dimensional formula of Newton, then write down the formula, then take m1 as that particular system and m2 from that particular system and m1 length, and similarly then you get, similarly when 1 joule equal to dash of work, this is the this is the process. Just remind that particular process. Okay, so next take another example. Convert a Newton into dyne with the help of 5. So this is 10 to the power 5 dyne, it is completed. Next 4, find the value of 1000 joule in a system based upon centimeter, kilogram and minute. Centimeter, kilogram, minute. So question number 4 is 100 joule, and you have to convert a unit system that consists of, here consist of means question number, this is centimeter, means you have to take length as centimeter, centimeter, then kilogram, then minute. So centimeter for length, kilogram, kg for mass, and minute for time. So what joule means this is work done, so ml square t minus 2, it is the dimension. So here a equal to 1, b equal to 2, and c equal to minus 2. And student, I think that we can use a board, but these will be more uh, uh, more understanding for copy pen method, I think. Take a book, any one of the book you follow. It may be S.L. Arora, it may be Comprehensive Physics, it may be H.C. Verma, it may be D.C. Pandey, McGrew-Hill, Cengage, or any other book related with 11th standard. Okay, so I think that if that particular technique is within your mind, then you can solve, or you can convert that particular unit system to another. So the answer is N2 equal to N1 mass by mass whole to the power of A, then length by length whole to the power of B, by time whole to the power of C. So N1, here N1 is 100 joule, and mass in joule is kg, so this is kg by m2, here it is kilogram, so this is kg, also kg to the power of a means 1. The length in that particular system, it is meter, so 1 meter divided by here it is centimeter, so 1 centimeter to the power of b means here it is 2. And time in that particular system, joule, is second, but that particular system it is minute, so minute to the power of c, here c means minus of 2, c means minus of 2. So 100 into 1 kg by 1 kg, so it is 1, then 1 meter by centimeter, so meter, deci, centimeter, and this is a square, so again there are 2 zeros. Then 1 second by 1 minute, 1 minute means it is 1 second by 60 second whole to the power of minus 2, so 60 goes in the numerator position, so this is 1 2, then 1 2 3 4 and 2, that is 6, into 60 square, that is 60 into 60, so 6 6 is 36, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so this is 10 to the power of 8, and this is the numeric value, 36 into 10 to the power 8, and this is the unit. Okay, so check the answer. Yes, this is 36 into 10 to the power 8 unit. Okay student, so I think that you can understand with the help of dimensional analysis how can we change a particular unit system to another system. Okay, and take another example. If it is not clear, then find the value of 100 dyne on a system based on meter, kilogram, minute. I think that particular is similar to that one, and you can change it, I think, and the answer is 3.6. Try it again, and I think it will be easy. And if the velocity of light be taken as 1 unit and the unit of time as 1 year of 360 days, find the unit of length. So you have to it is different, and that's why I not taken that particular example one. So you have to convert a length into velocity into time. So L t minus 1, there is velocity into time. So here L equal to L and t minus 1 and t cancel. So this is L. So this is the particular formula. So you have to take that particular one. So velocity here it is given 3 into 10 to the power 8 into 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second into 365 days into 24 hour into 3600. So this is approximate. You have to multiply it and then you get 9.461 into 10 to the power 15 meter. So it is so simple concept, and 1 is clear, 2 is clear, 3 you can change it, and the 4 is clear, 5 is clear, 7 6 is clear. So all the numericals based on type A is cleared. Okay, and I also clear all the concepts related with type B. Type B, that is based on principle of homogeneity of dimension. Principle of homogeneity of dimension is taken from principle. What is principle of homogeneity? I explained, and so you can see the unit and dimension 2. And here type C based on dimensional derivations. So there basically type A means type A, that is, this is the application number 1. So conversion of unit, type B, this is check the correctness or principle of homogeneity and type C, that is dimensional derivation. Dimensional derivations. So type C, still I not discuss that particular one, and so if I think that I discuss that particular one in the next class. So thank you, student, and continue your study and do different numericals. And last of this session, last of the all the dimensional derivatives, we take different applications and different numericals based on NEET, JEE Main or JEE Advanced, and then I clear your HOTS numericals. Okay, so thank you, and keep studying and wait for the next class, and subscribe and press the bell button. Okay, thank you.